chiropractors be like? Jump in the sun. Okay, let me do a couple of tests. Does this hurt? A lot of stress? Oh wow, you have a lot of tension in your neck. Relax, relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, relax.
Really?